The correct order of ionization energy for gold, silver, copper. Children, I am telling you, these kind of questions will make you understand whether the child has understood the PU part very well or not. This is very, very important. Let us go to the facts. The most important, the most important thing here is one should understand if you are able to thoroughly follow the electronic configuration, then only you can write this correct. You write correct option you can understand. Now you write the electronic configuration of copper, argon, 3D10 4s2. Sorry, copper is 3D10 4s1. I'm sorry. Okay, fine. Come to silver. Silver electronic configuration, you will get krypton 4D10 5s1. Great. But when you write the electronic configuration of gold, after you include xenon, first what will come? You will get 4f14. After 4f14, see, atomic number of gold is 79. Understand? Atomic number of gold is 79. So xenon is 54. You add 14 electrons. So if you add 14 electrons, what will happen? 79 plus 54. No, here atomic number is 79. So here first you add 54. So 54 plus 14, how much? 68. 68. And you add another 11 electrons has to be filled. So actually what will happen means you will have to get if you write here, actually what will happen means here if you get 6s2 will be filled, 6s orbital will be filled, so another 2 electrons you are filling. So therefore 54 plus 14 plus 2 is equal to 70. Okay, remaining how much electrons are there? 9 electrons are there. Actually you should get to 5d9, but 5d9 electronic configuration is unstable. Therefore what happens means you will get 6s1 5d10. Okay, now you come to the point. Since 4f electrons possess least magnitude of shielding effect, what happens? Due to lanthanide contraction, means gold is not a lanthanide, but 4 of 14 electrons are available. Therefore, due to lanthanide contraction, what happens? These d block elements, we have discussed in the PU part very clearly, the atomic radius of these elements, the valence electrons are coming close to nucleus, and effective nuclear charge increases substantially. And amongst copper, silver, gold is having what? Highest atomic mass. Therefore, since these electrons are close to nucleus and s orbital is half filled, d orbital is completely filled. Please note this point. What is that? S orbital is half filled, d orbital is completely filled. Now, s orbital is very close to nucleus. Penetration power of s orbital is very high, and d orbital is completely filled. How can you remove an electron from such an atom where even the 4 of 14 is interventing the electronic repulsion between the two elements? It is getting it is close to the nucleus because of f electrons poor shielding due to lanthanide contraction. Due to this fact, what happens? Ionization energy of gold is highest. ionization energy of gold is highest. Now, if you go through these options without even knowing the copper and silver, automatically you can say option C is correct. But copper is having a smaller atomic radius than silver, because when you come down the group between copper and silver, there are no 4 of 14 electrons. So due to this fact, the smallest element will have greater ionization energy. Therefore copper has more ionization energy than silver. So therefore option C is correct. Children, if you know to write the electronic configuration, and if you know that, see, copper is having 3d10 smaller size orbital, silver is bigger size orbital. Removing an electron, and this is smaller size, this is bigger size. You cannot remove electrons easily from 3d10 or 4d10. Come to 4s 5s. Amongst 4s 5s, which is more smaller orbital? 4s. So smaller the orbital, greater will be the smaller the size of the atom. Smaller the orbital means smaller the size of the atom, greater will be the ionization energy, because atomic radius is inversely proportional to ionization energy. We discussed in periodic, starting from periodic classification we have been discussing. Therefore this is a correct order of ionization energy. Option C is correct. Children, this might take it from me, this is a very beautiful question. If you know that 4 of 14 comes in gold, it is not coming in silver and copper, you are through. That's it. Okay, great.